In this video, you will learn how to create a seller's account on Temu and make money. To become a seller's account in Temu, you will need to join Temu as a verified seller on Pinduoduo. So head over to your web browser and type in Pinduoduo login. Now, here, change your language to English so you can understand it. Then, start by signing up. So click on options if you don't have an account yet. Now, first type in your phone number and set a password for your account. Third, you will need a 6-digit verification code that you will receive in your phone number that you entered. Then, click this option to register now. On the next page, you'll have to complete a merchant registration. This includes details like your ID and others. After you go through that process, you can submit a form. Then Temu will take about 1 week for the verification approval. Then, if your account is approved, you will be able to sell stuff on Temu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.